Mystery of Denisova Cave in Russia. Denisova Cave is the oldest inhabited cave in Siberia, and it is one of the most informative sites for the study of an ancient human culture and the surrounding natural environment, not only of North and Central Asia, but the entire Eurasian continent. The earliest archaeological materials obtained during the study of cave deposits are more than 300,000 years old. Denisova Cave became world famous in 2010 when one of the leading international scientific journals, Nature, published the results of the genetic analysis of human fossils found in the cave, a fragment of the distal phalanx of the little finger of a 6 to 7-year-old girl. Deciphering first the mitochondrial and then the nuclear DNA from this bone sample showed that it belongs to a previously unknown fossil man, which was named Denisova after the place where the anthropological remains were found. Denisova Cave in Russia is known to have been inhabited by Denisovans, Neanderthals, and modern humans. But who lived there, when? Did these species overlap in the cave? DNA recovered from cave sediments allows archaeologists to answer this without destructive sampling of precious fossils. By analyzing DNA from these human species in the cave sediment, researchers demonstrated that Denisovans occupied the cave first around 250,000 years ago. Neanderthals then showed up around 170,000 years ago. These two groups seem to have occupied the cave on and off until around 45,000 years ago, when Homo sapiens first show up. In 1977, Denisova Cave was opened as an archaeological site. Exploration work gave a rich archaeological material, fragments of ancient ceramic vessels, bone and bronze products, numerous stone implements of an ancient man. The found objects indicated that the cave has been inhabited since the Paleolithic period. We don't know what Denisovans looked like. The fossils that have been found are fragments of bone and teeth. But we do know that they overlapped with Neanderthals. One of the fossils found in the cave revealed a daughter of a Denisovan and a Neanderthal, and Denisova Cave is the only site where Neanderthal and Denisovan remains have been found together. Stone tools allow for the earliest suggestion that ancient humans occupied the cave 300,000 years ago, while the fossils show it's more likely that Denisovans began their occupation of the cave 200,000 years ago, with Neanderthals arriving soon after. The daughter of the Neanderthal and Denisovan reveals that the two met and interbred 100,000 years ago, when the climate was warm and stable. The cave sheltered Neanderthals and Denisovans through varying climates when the area supported warm, humid forests before much colder tundra periods, researchers say, based on the plant remains that were uncovered. Due to this new long range of time associated with Denisovan occupation of the cave, the researchers have reason to believe that they lived long enough to encounter modern humans who were migrating through Asia. Zenobia Jacobs, study author and professor at the University of Wollongong Center for Archaeological Science, said, "The nearest modern human fossils were found about 621 miles from the cave." At the moment, Denisova Cave is the only known and studied site where Denisovans, Neanderthals, and people of modern anatomical type were active at one time. They did not displace or oppress each other, but were genetically and culturally influenced by each other.